Now students, next we'll discuss the disadvantage of modern periodic table. One main disadvantage is position of isotopes is still anomalous. In Mendeleev's periodic table also position of hydrogen is still anomalous in modern periodic table, not fixed. Because hydrogen, many of the properties similar to alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium of group 1. So it is placed in group 1 along with alkali metals. Because alkali metals outermost how many electron? 1. Hydrogen also outermost how many electron? 1. So many of the properties of hydrogen similar to alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So it is placed in group 1 along with alkali metals. Then group 17 elements are called halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine group 17 elements outermost 7 electrons. Outermost 7 electrons. So 1 electron less than nearest noble gas. Hydrogen also outermost how many? 1. So hydrogen also has 1 electron less than nearest to noble gas, that is helium. Helium has outermost 2. So many of the properties of hydrogen is similar to group 17 halogens. So it should be placed along with halogens also, group 17. So where to place hydrogen? It has properties similar to group 1 alkali metals and also group 17 halogens, hydrogen. However, it is placed in group 1. Why? Because it is the element with lowest atomic number and lowest atomic mass. So it is placed in group 1 along with alkali metals. But it has properties similar to alkali metals as well as halogens of group 17. So the position of hydrogen is still anomalous in modern periodic table. Okay. And next disadvantage is position of helium. Helium atomic number is 2. So outermost how many electron? 2. If outermost 2 electron, it should be placed in group 2. It should be placed in group 2, outermost 2 electron. But it is placed in group 18. While seeing the properties, properties of helium is similar to neon, argon, krypton, xenon, other noble gases. So helium is placed in group 18 because all these elements outermost how many? 8 electrons. So they are placed in group 18, 10 plus 8, 18. But helium outermost 2 electrons, so it should be placed in group 2. But seeing the properties of helium similar to other members, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, so it is placed in group 18. So this is also one of the disadvantage. And third disadvantage is position of lanthanides and actinides. These 14 elements after lanthanum and 14 elements after actinium, they are called lanthanides and actinides. They do not have a proper position inside modern periodic table. They are placed below the periodic table. They are placed below the periodic table, lanthanides and actinides. They do not have any proper position inside the table. So this is next disadvantage of modern periodic table. Okay.